Welcome to Vivian's Kitchen. Thank you for coming back. Today, I will prepare for you pork tenderloin stuffed with ricotta cheese, spinach, cheddar cheese, and we will stuff that with peppers, grilled peppers, and we will wrap that with bacon. We will start off with the pork tenderloin. You want to take this and split it down the middle, wash it, clean it. I have taken it and split it. We're going to pound that out and flatten it so that when we roll this up, we will have a nice roll. And next, we will take the cheese mix and we will put that on. Just press that in. Make sure you get it in there really good. Try not to get it on the edges. The edges are going to be there to seal the meat. And you take the roasted peppers, and we're going to do the same with that. We just line those up so that as you roll them, they will stay in the center. Don't overstuff them, they will come out. That's good. Press it in. And begin to roll. You can roll from the long end. Fold as you roll. Tuck in as you roll. And press the ends. Now you have a nice big roast. You want to take the bacon. Remember to shop at your local vendor. Try and get as fresh ingredients as you can. Make sure nothing's been frozen. We take the bacon, put it on top, and it's basically here to seal the underside. If something falls out, it's okay. You want to seal it, seal the underside so everything doesn't come out as you cook it. Just wrap that bacon around. The more the better. Tuck in the ends. That will be eaten. And you take a pan. We're going to take that and just set it inside of the pan like that. We want to take some, we have olive oil here blended with garlic and some cilantro. You take that and put that on top. And just rub it in. We're going to use this sauce, the oil, for lots of things in the kitchen. Okay, now we can place that in the oven on a temperature of 380 degrees for about 1 hour and a half. Try and put it up at the top so the bacon can crisp nicely. Now on to our second meal. We have a tortellini pasta that I've already prepared for you. This is a cold tortellini. It's prepared ahead of time. You can put it in the refrigerator, but you don't have to. Now I have it ready here, and it's stuffed with cheese. I need a larger bowl, so what we'll do is put the tortellini in a bowl. And we're going to add some olives to that. I got the Kalamata. That's my favorite. Some tomatoes. With that is fine. And some pesto sauce. You want to add the pesto. A little fresh lemon juice. Squeeze it fresh. And some feta cheese on top. You can add salt if you like, but I don't need to. You can just stir that with your hands, just to coat everything, and it is ready. And we can put that back into the bowl. Okay, having a problem with these gloves here. Sorry about that. All right. Okay. Now we have another meal for you, and that is salmon. We have the wild-caught salmon. I'm going to show you how to get the skin off. We're just going to grill this. You're going to start with one section here, and you can use your thumb and just rub underneath the membrane there. You want to get this skin off because it has the most mercury and it has all the fat underneath, and you want that to cook out. So just pull it and it will come right off. That's the best way you don't lose any meat. Just use your fingers. Okay, so now we're just going to take a pan, a small pan, and you're going to place that in, and we're going to use some of that delicious oil that I blended up, and we're going to put that on. And if you'd like, a little salt. And that's it. And we're going to just pop this in the oven. We have a meal here for you that will be the roasted vegetables. What you want to do is use a nice long pan for your roasted vegetables and make sure it is pretty shallow because you don't want it too deep. It will steam your vegetables. So first you want to put the biggest vegetables on the bottom. Dump them in. I diced everything up maybe into a 1/4-inch pieces. That way they don't cook too fast. And I've got some asparagus there. Put a handful of spinach on top. That's fine. And here we come back to that wonderful, wonderful oil again. And this stuff, you can use this for everything. We want to blend that with our hands as well. And a little bit of sodium, a little salt. And tomatoes are good to put in there. Basically. And we're going to just put these in the oven on 380 for about 35 minutes. And put them on the top rack, please. Okay, I have a dill sauce that I like to make, and this is going to be for your salmon. You just want to dice up some dill, and I have some mayonnaise, mustard, and some olive oil in a bowl. Just dice it up. Very simple. These things you have at home or some things you have to buy. If you're using herbs, it's best to try and get fresh herbs. They taste better and smell better. And that's a dill sauce here. Now, the pesto sauce, I can show you how to do your own pesto sauce. What you do is, we have a bullet here that I have, the blender, and you put your spinach in there. You want to put a lot, and then you put your olive oil in. It can be very expensive, so you may want to make your own pesto. And just keep blending it until it comes out smooth. Just continue to blend, and that's how it will look. Okay, so that's a wrap for today, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for coming to Vivian's Kitchen.